was a silence in the space between our hands, like a fragile dream we didn't understand. Just a quiet spark barely shining through, but it found its way the night I looked at you. We were standing on the edge of something new, with the weight of all we'd both been through. Every broken piece, every hidden scar started healing right where we are. Our love is growing like flowers in the spring rain, falling down slowly, calling out your name. Every tear we cried, every storm we knew, turned into a garden when I found you. Now it's rising up in colors we can't explain. Our love is growing like flowers in the spring rain. There were nights I thought the sun would never rise, lost inside the shadows of goodbye. But you held on when I couldn't breathe, gave me something I could still believe. Our love is growing like flowers in the spring rain, soft as a whisper, steady as the pain. Every doubt we faced, every step we made, bloomed into forever, never gonna fade. Now it's reaching out through joy and through the pain. Our love is growing like flowers in the spring rain. If the sky falls down, if the world turns cold, we'll be roots in the ground, stronger as we hold. Every drop that falls won't wash us away, it just helps our love find another way. Our love is growing like flowers in the spring rain, breaking through the darkness, healing every chain. Every breath we take, every vow we keep is a field of promises running soft and deep. And I know somehow, through the loss and gain, our love keeps growing like flowers in the spring rain. So let the rain fall down tonight, we'll be blooming in its light.